This video is sponsored by AppMaker. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Educate WordPress. On this channel, we talk everything about WordPress, and today we're going to see how we can add page transitions to a WordPress website. Page transition is a really good way to add a preloader to all the pages of your website. Let's see how we can add it. First of all, we're going to need Elementor Pro. Let's head over to Elementor Pro website. Click on the plan that suits you the most and then click on Buy Now. After you complete your purchase, they will give you a zip file. Now head back to your dashboard. Click on Plugins, Add New, and click on Upload the plugin. Choose the downloaded zip file and click on Install Now. Now while this installs, let's talk a bit about our sponsor. This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile apps. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS applications. Get 30% off by being first 200 sign up. Get the link in the description. Now we're back. Now click on Activate Plugin. Let's head over to our website. Click on Edit with Elementor. Click on this icon and go to Site Settings. Now as you can see, there's an option called Page Transitions. Click on that and here we can edit our page transitions. Now we can add page transitions which is either color or a gradient. Let's try adding color first. And let's add entrance transition. We're going to add fade in right. And I'm going to lighten up a bit. Looks good. And then we're going to edit the exit animation as well. We started with right and let's click on left. Looks good. And let's now change the animation speed. This is 1500 milliseconds, which is 1.5 seconds. Let's bump it up to 3000 milliseconds, which is 3 seconds. Let's click on update. Let's open our website. As you can see, a preloader has been added. Well, it's not exactly a preloader, but this appears every time you go to a new page. For example, if we go to another page, now in the about page and the page transition looked good. Let's try even some more. If you want to add a gradient, you can do that as well. This is the gradient. You can choose any color of your gradient. And now let's add a preloader. There are three settings in the preloader. One is animation, one is icon, and one is image. Let's start with animation. It will display a loading animation like this one, or maybe this one. There are several options to choose from. Let's bump it up so you can see even more. We're going to add a preloaded delay, which delays the preloader by milliseconds. We can change the color as well. Let's click on update and check it out. Let's add some more animation speed so you can see clearly what's going on. Now make sure if you're adding an animation, you have to give more animation speed compared to others. Let's click on update. We're going to add icon now. You can choose icon of your choice from the icon library, or you can upload your own icon in the form of SVG. We're going to use some default icons. We can add animation to the icon as well. This is spinning or bouncing. Let's add some color, and you can edit size as well. And this will appear like this. Now let's try an image. We're going to upload an image. It's best that you add your brand logo. As you can see, which looks good. We can edit width, max width, and opacity as well. Now let's see how it looks on a mobile device. Let's click on responsive mode. Click on the mobile icon. Now we can edit separately in the responsive mode for a mobile. For the mobile application, we're going to make our width bigger so that it appears clearly on the mobile. Let's click on update. Let's reload our website and check it out. As you can see, our page transition and preloader is working. Now that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like if you find this video useful and subscribe. Thank you.